EUROTEC MOVE. Modular, optimized, visionary, efficient. The EUROTEC MOVE is available in footprints of 600 by 400 and 650 by 450 millimeters. The height ranges from 120 to 420 millimeters. The EUROTEC MOVE offers a payload capacity of 50 kilograms, a deflection of less than 5 millimeters, and a top load capacity of up to 400 kilograms. Thanks to its closed, welded base with run-up chamfer, it is ideally suited for roller conveyor systems. The grip surface ensures smooth and quiet operation. Optional water drainage holes can be integrated into the side walls and the bottom. Ergonomic handle options make handling easier and comfortable. Snap-in dividers that can be freely configured allow a particularly efficient use of space. Dedicated free spaces are available for in-mold labels and custom individualization. The EUROTEC MOVE is available in Virgin PP, PP-UIC or PP-ESD. Let's move forward. Get started now with your custom solution. EUROTEC MOVE.